In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily insert multiple rows into a spreadsheet without breaking a sweat. Whether you're working with a large data set or just need to add a few extra rows for some additional details, this method is your go-to solution. Let's dive right into it. First, what you'll want to do is locate the row number that's just beneath where you'd like to insert the new rows. Click on this row. It serves as the starting point for your selection process. Once you've got the right row selected, it's time to make that selection a bit more expansive. Press and hold down the left button on your mouse, and while keeping it held down, drag down to expand your selection by 3 additional rows. This motion paints over the area where our new rows will be inserted. Now, as you perform this task, you might notice a little feature that makes life a tad easier. Just below, there's a window displaying the current row count. This is a fantastic little helper because it eliminates the need to manually count the rows you've selected. The number you see indicates how many rows are presently highlighted, which is exactly how many rows will be inserted once we're done with this step. With your desired rows selected, it's time to perform the main action. Hover your mouse back over your highlighted area, right-click to bring up the context menu, and select Insert from the options provided. And just like that, those 3 empty rows appear precisely where you wanted them, effortlessly accommodating whatever fresh content or data you might need to include. This method isn't just limited to 3 rows, it's flexible. You can repeat the exact same process for any number of rows you wish to add. It's a particularly handy feature when dealing with extensive spreadsheets because it ensures you maintain the structure of your data while allowing for growth and adjustments as needed. The simplicity of these steps really saves time and effort, making your spreadsheet manipulations smoother and more efficient. So the next time you find yourself needing to insert rows in a spreadsheet, remember these straightforward steps and you'll be all set. Happy spreadsheeting!